Well, that's a fine how do you do.
What was it you think got us the boot?
Stealing the Queen's cash? Blowing up her summer shack? The beat down at the bar? Whatever it was, you really ticked off the big boss this time. I don't think they're gonna let us back in. Well, there's two things that solve every problem. Money and explosives. I've got an idea! I can't wait to see the look on the Queen's face when she sees exactly who double-crossed her! So we're gonna go over the plan one more time, so you don't screw it all up! Alright, first, we light the fuse! Then, we put on our inconspicuous disguises and sneak into town. After that, we get our glorious blinged-out boom trolley right up to the boss's place. Reveal our ingenious deception, and boom! They'll never see it coming!